Saying it's called Teosyal Redensity 2, and this is an under eye filler, so we would only really use this filler for the under eye area. It's designed for the under eyes because it's a very soft hyaluronic acid based filler with some other ingredients like amino acids and skin brightening agents, and it responds really well in what we call sunken or puffy eye bags directly under the eyes. So this filler is great because we can place this filler and it doesn't tend to clump together or form any lumps because it's a very soft hyaluronic acid based gel. This filler is amazing, but it also helps to lift the area. So the whole point of having tear trough filler is because you have a tear trough which is a hollowing or a sunken appearance under the eyes, and this filler will help lift the area, so it just makes you look more fresh, like you've had a good night's sleep. You no longer have the deep circles where you're looking tired, or maybe you're looking like, you know, you're sick. I have a lot of patients that come in and say, you know, they've been told that they look very tired, that, you know, they haven't had a good night's sleep. So tear trough filler is great for rejuvenating the under eye area. Sometimes patients are candidates for not just tear trough filler, but mid-face rejuvenation. And mid-face rejuvenation is basically having a high density filler like this one here in just the under eye area, which is supporting the tear troughs essentially, and we call it the mid cheek. So it's basically placing 1/2 ml of Intraline M4 for volume loss in the mid cheek. And what that does is it helps to lift the area, it supports the tear trough, and it anchors the tear trough treatment. So with that lift, then we can go in and put in some Teosyal Redensity 2 under eye filler. Now, this usually gives a better result in patients. Why? Because when we tend to notice our tear troughs, and I'd say in about 80% of our patients, the volume loss under the eye is actually stems from having mid-cheek volume loss. So if we were to just go in and fill a tear trough without having the mid-cheek area filled, then sometimes it can just look like the tear trough is still present because it doesn't have the support. So mid-facial rejuvenation, what it will do is lift the mid-cheek for you, and then it will support the under eye filler that we'll place using Teosyal Redensity 2, and we do this using a cosmetic cannula. So essentially 80% of our patients are candidates for the mid-facial rejuvenation. Those that are younger and have good cheek volume but just genetically have hollowing under the eyes, they'll be suitable more for just the tear trough filler. So you will need to have just a consultation which you can have online with us, or come into the clinic and the doctors will gauge what is best for you. So either you'll have tear trough filler for £500, just 1 ml, or you'll have the mid-facial rejuvenation, which is the 2 mils of filler, and that's £750. And both treatments will last you a good year and a half. I mean, patients come back after 2 years and still not ready for a top-up. So the fillers do last a long time.